HMD Global has a new phone coming on July 17th that's rumored to have a 19:9 display, 6 gigs of RAM, 64 GB of storage, and an octa-core SoC. Yep, you guessed it right, it's the Nokia X5, and here's everything we know about it so far. Now there's quite a bit that's already been revealed about the Nokia X5, including the fact that it could be debuting worldwide post its initial China launch on July 17th. Now the thing is, even though it will be called the X5 in China, globally we expect it to be called the Nokia 5.1 Plus. Now leaked images have surfaced on the Chinese social media website Baidu, which gives us a glimpse into what the X5 might actually look like. Now according to them, it would have a notch on the top just like the X6, and at the back you could see a dual camera setup along with the fingerprint sensor over here. Now the back also seems to have this glossy blue finish, and there's some Nokia branding on the back as well as the front. Now before we get to the specifications, don't forget to subscribe and hit that bell icon so you're the first to know when we have new videos. Now if previous rumors are to be believed, then the Nokia X5 will most likely have a 5.85-inch HD Plus display with a 19:9 aspect ratio. It's also said to have an octa-core SoC and come with different variants of RAM ranging from 3, 4 and 6 GB and different storage variants ranging from 32 to 64 GB. Now there might be a slot for expandable storage as well. Now the dual rear camera setup that we talked about earlier could have a 30 megapixel primary camera along with a 5 megapixel camera and an LED flash. For the selfie camera, we could expect an 8 megapixel sensor. For software, the X5 will most likely run Android 8.1 Oreo, and we can also expect a 3000 mAh battery. Now the post on Baidu has suggested that the Nokia X5 will arrive at a price of 1000 Chinese yuan, which is roughly 10,270 rupees, while an older report did claim that it would be priced exactly at 799 Chinese yuan, which is roughly 8,200 rupees. Now this is lower than what the Nokia X6 debuted at with 4 GB of RAM and 64 GB of storage when it launched. Also, if it does launch under 1000 Chinese yuan, then it could make a good competitor to the Xiaomi Redmi Note 5 Pro and even the Asus Zenfone Max Pro M1. Of course, we'll know all the details once the phone actually launches, so stay tuned for that. But till then, let us know if the phone actually interests you in the comments. Thanks for watching, and for all things tech, log on to gadgets360.com.